Hello and welcome back. Today we learn 12 very common English words. These words help us talk about people and things. Listen first and then repeat. Here are the 12 words for today. I, you, we, they, my, your, this, that, man, woman, people, thing. Good, let's begin. Repeat after me. I, you, we, they, I walk, you sit, we go, they come. Repeat after me. My, your, my thing, your thing, my home, your home. Repeat after me. This, that, this thing, that thing, this is my thing, that is your thing. Repeat after me. Man, woman, people, I see a man, I see a woman, we see people. Repeat after me. Thing, this thing, my thing, your thing. Now listen to the short story. I am here. You are there. This is my thing. That is your thing. We are people. They are people. I see a man. I see a woman. Now speak with me. I, you, we, they, my, your, Let us recap the 12 words for today. I, you, we, they, my, your, this, that, man, woman, people, thing. Very good, you are doing very well. I'll see you in the next lesson. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like and subscribe.